Hello, friends. Long before, in 80s, I had read a novel, The Godfather, written by Mario Puzo. The first page Mario Puzo had written: behind every good fortune, there is a crime. Frankly speaking, I personally don't believe in this. When I see a beautiful car, a luxurious car, a beautiful bungalow, or maybe some very luxurious household items, good clothes, when people are wearing costly clothes, I wonder what is it that attracts us towards these things. One thing that attracts us, which is a positive way of looking at things, is the fact that if we see someone moving around in a Rolls Royce or Mercedes, we look at the person in awe. At least I do that, by presuming that this man or this woman must have worked very hard to earn that position. Either he must have worked hard and done some very good business, or he must be a very, very studious person and thereby has attained a great position in life by virtue of which he has these luxuries. So it looks good. And that is what I think it should be like. On the other hand, when we find people making their earnings through wrong ways, either selling drugs or by adopting certain other wrong methods, then these very things look very ugly when they are being used by those people. I'll not name anyone, but if you look around, you will find what I'm trying to say. A person who is moving around in a very luxurious car and leading a very high profile life, once when they're caught in the web of crime, we start looking at the same thing in a very, very bad way. The impression goes off, wanes off immediately. The display of wealth which people put across in marriages, in their birthday parties, or other parties also can be viewed in the same way. If you have earned your money in a hard way by being a good businessman, great businessman, or you hold a very good position as far as the service is concerned, and then if you are involved in these little luxuries, it will look pleasing. But the moment you know that this particular person is corrupt, the whole charm goes off. At least it goes off for me. So what's the point in life? Why to go in for such fake display? Don't get attracted towards luxurious things in life because others have it. If you are able to make it through good ways, most welcome, go for it. But if not, don't waste your precious life. This life is given for contemplating on much better things which do not cost us anything. A smile doesn't cost anything. Sharing a love, affection, helping out someone doesn't cost anything. So look out for things that money cannot buy. Money can buy you home, but it cannot buy you. Can buy a house, but not a home. Money can buy books, but not knowledge. Money can buy you a very, very luxurious bed, but not a good sleep. Money can buy almost everything for you, but not happiness. So always direct your thoughts, mind, heart, all your efforts towards seeking things which money cannot buy. You can be rich only when you are in possession of things which can never be bought, which are not sold in the malls, marketplace. Thank you.